So as you guys can tell by the title, I got a ticket for no front plate. I got it like 2 days ago. I was waiting at a red light, turning left, and the cop saw me, waited. I pulled in front of him, and then he pulled me over. Got a ticket. So now I have to drill holes into this bumper. I have the bracket right here to put on the front plate. I think I'm gonna go with the left side right here. All right, we got it off, and now we just gotta mark the holes to put it right here. We'll do that right now. All right, here we go. Got the drill. Mark my holes right here. Here we go. Set that down. One. Here's the other one. So I got it on. I left a gap so it doesn't scratch the bumper, and now we'll throw on the license plate, see how it looks. All right, I got it on. It's not going anywhere. I also inserted the air duct cover and the fog light bezels. I had them laying around. I haven't put it on yet. There's that one. Alright guys, so finally got it on. This is how it looks. In the front. Doesn't look too bad. Now I just gotta get the ticket signed off and we're good to go.